Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set perfect Canva aspect ratio for social media. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and then access the canva.com website. Then, sign into your account and access the target project file. Once done, you'll be redirected to this editing canvas. Here, you just need to click on the resize feature in the top left corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside it, you will have a bunch of options to select from. In order to select social media ratio, access that specific menu and then choose from the available options. You can just navigate through the options and then click on the target one. Once done, click on the resize button and it will open up in a new tab after loading. So that's basically how you can set perfect Canva aspect ratio for social media. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.